Workbenches take a daily beating. From chisel work to stain samples, our benches see hard use. So it's no surprise that every now and then they need a little TLC. We recently needed to refinish our own shop's workbench. Conveniently, Infinity Tools has almost every sanding solution you can ask for in a woodworking shop. We used our 5-inch Mercadero sander that uses hook and loop papers to quickly swap between grits. The Deros onboard dust collection kept our work zone clean and free of sawdust. To make quick work of removing the wear and stains, we used several sheets of Mirka Abranet 150 grit paper. Don't forget to break any sharp edges to keep things hand-friendly. After sanding, we needed to fill a few dents and bruises, and we reached for Gork's Good Filla wood filler. We used the Maple Beach Pine color for the best possible match to the natural wood color. We let the filler dry and then sanded it smooth. All workbenches should have a coating on them to help resist against future staining from spills or overspray. We used Odie's oil wood wax applied with a paper towel. A little wax goes a long way, so it didn't take much to cover the entire bench. We left the wax to set up for a day, and then we wiped the surface down with Odie's Oil Safer solvent. After just a little shop time, we have a bench with a refreshed surface that will stay looking good for years to come.